Well, right now, Smith County commissioners are still deciding whether or not to approve Precinct 4 Constable Josh Joplin's request to join the federal 287G program, a move that would allow his deputies to work directly with ICE after criminal arrest. Now, this debate comes as protesters are on the steps of the Smith County Courthouse Annex right now, many urging leaders to reject that proposal. Demonstrators holding up signs, chanting, and calling the program that is harmful for immigrant communities. Thanks so much for being with us here on the Noon Show. I'm Jesus Martinez. Dana Dixon is on assignment. Commissioners are hearing the community response right now. That court meeting started around 9:30 this morning, and we've heard from both sides of the aisle, both lots of people in support and opposed to it. And we were able to speak to Josh Joplin, Constable for Precinct 4 yesterday. He told us that this is just about enforcing the law and adding additional work for the constables there. But he did say they are not, as of right now, looking to be reimbursed like Smith County did a couple weeks back. They've already entered this program, the 287G program, with ICE a couple months back, but just recently they started enforcing it more since the jails have been empty. We'll continue to check out Smith County for the Commissioner's Court right now and see what they have. This is a live look right now. We see many people talking for their Democratic chair, or part of the Democrat Party, Nancy Nichols, speaking right now. We've also heard from David Stein speaking as well, and State Representative Daniel Alders as well. Let's take a listen at some of that sound from this morning.
The 287G task force does not make our communities safer. Instead, it leads to over-policing of predominantly Hispanic neighborhoods and threatens to rip apart our community.
There are some violent offenders who have broken laws, have multiple felonies, that are now off the streets, keeping our citizens and community safer. So I'm speaking in favor of this, and I thank you for your time.
Well, other East Texas cities are also eyeing at joining this federal partnership with ICE. The city of Bullard tabled its vote last week for their meeting on December 9th. And just yesterday, we learned the Art Police Department is in the early stages of also being part of the 287G program, pending council approval. And because of the Smith County Sheriff's Office involvement with the federal immigration program, we saw many protests last week, dozens out there participating in them. And now attorneys are stepping in to help those who were cited during those demonstrations. Tahoe Police tell CBS 19 that officers issued close to 10 citations for excessive horn use, noting Texas law doesn't allow for prolonged or unnecessary honking unless it's to warn of danger. Local attorney Brett Harrison says his firm is stepping in to represent residents who got those citations, arguing that peaceful protest is constitutional.